What's up, Link community? This is This Week on Link. We're gonna do a Komodo workshop. Blockchain 101. What does Link mean to you guys? Girls. Any thoughts? Link is like connecting, right? And what is connected? Or sort of connected? So we're working on the blockchain, right? We cannot show any footage of the radio interview because the program that we were on, which is called Volando Alto, it's a great program, and the people that host it have the space donated to them in the radio by Univision, which is their host. So the main radio station is trying to prevent them from using any advertisement or monetizing out of the space in the radio, so they don't allow any video or photo footage to be leaked or published in any social media or such.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah, that's fair. I'm going to be talking about a little bit about what Link is and what I'm doing with Link specifically, all of our initiatives, and most probably blockchain.
Where do you see Link in 3 years?
I see Link having first the top and best curriculum on blockchain on Latin America, if not the world. Second, I see us having a bunch of distributed containers and makerspaces that we distribute our content there. And third, I see it as more of a global thing, global scale thing than just local. But obviously our focus will always be Puerto Rico, so, you know, more international, growing.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Hey, how's it going?
We're here at Boys Massage Crypto Mondays. Link is sponsoring it today, so we're excited about that. Good, man. I'm doing good.
Right?
So this is Pedro.
What's going on, y'all?
He's helping out Poets Passage by doing Crypto Mondays.
Poets Passage.
Can you tell us a little bit about Poets Passage?
This is probably the most magical place I've been to out of all of them. And ironically, I used to live right next to Disney World. However, I will tell you this place is built on love, and it's got a whole bunch of really cool shit, even down to note paper walls, poems, and notepads on each of the tables. You can look at former poets, actual real poems. We got together as a community, and a couple of us in the crypto community got together and decided that we would host Crypto Mondays here and use it as a fundraiser to kind of help this business get back on track. So 25,000 is the goal. We're on our way there, and God willing, we'll be able to get it done really soon.
Woo! Let's do it. Energy, man. High energy. I love it. Cool.
Let's go explore.
Yeah, this is...
to give a neutral zone for people and especially artists to have a voice. The physical part of it started 11 years ago, but the idea, of course, happened many years prior.
What's the Poet's Passage? You're a poet, you come to San Juan, you go through the passage.
Exactly.
I assume.
You go through the passage because a lot of poets come and visit, but obviously there's only a few that are part of the active weekly community. They come every week, but it's a passage. And it's also a live museum because it's not only poetry here and books of poetry, but it's always a poet in the place that can talk about their poetry and other poets.
The challenges are that I had a system set, given that I'm an artist and struggling artist, so forth. I had a system set that was working for us, that allowed us to keep our doors open, but Maria took that foundation away. But $25,000 will allow us to open up the coffee shop. To fix the roof, and that ranges from $20,000 to $55,000. I tried my best to raise the money before the second hurricane season, which is what we're in right now, so that if there was another hurricane, we would have damage, but we wouldn't be wiped out. But if it were like extreme, then the cost of fixing it is going to triple or quadruple or just knock me out of business completely. So, does that answer your question?
Yeah, that was a good answer. Thank you.
Thank you. So what am I looking at? Okay, so
That's comparison between
they look exactly the same.
from last year when Maria was coming, and then this year.
Yeah, this part was supposed to be water, liquor.
They're limiting the boxes you can take for only 2 per family.
Wow.
And they're done, so we can't get more.
Wow, so there's literally no more water now.
No, we're too late. We would need to go to another store.
Yeah, or Costco.
So we have lots of people with lots of water.
They read 40, so it's good. Today's Friday, so
That's
we're
good.
probably gonna get like the worst out of it now, or on the night. Instead of a tropical storm, a hurricane, it's now a tropical depression. So it's not even like it doesn't have really high winds like a tropical storm or a hurricane would have. But it does bring a lot of rain. But it's pretty south, so.
Easter!
That's crazy.
This is awesome.
It's awesome until the power goes out.